Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a system test number 2 on the brand new system. So for devices on this system we have a NBG12LX. Yes, the box, I lost one of the wings, so it's kind of hanging out of the wall right now, but it still works. Over here we have a Silent Night PSDAH with a Notifier NBG12LX door, just because I needed the key. The panel is a 411 UDEC. It is programmed to dial, because I don't have a dialer, so I can't edit it. So because of that, I have all communication feeds disconnected. That's why it has a communication failure. The trouble is just because I haven't bought all the resistors yet. However, the NAC on this particular system is supervised. There's a end-of-line resistor in there. So, for alarms, we have a a remote strobe 15 candela. I think it's an S2415. This is a system sensor MDL sync module. That's just an FAJB. Same with that. This is another S2415. That's a P2R. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, well, let's start with this guy first. So now we're gonna do this pole. I will say this is only a 12-volt panel. So that's why it only has one battery. Yes, this battery is actually too big. I just have it in there for this video and demonstration to show what this panel looks like when it's out of power. So let's pull the main. We can either do this or do this, but I'm going to decide to do the big one and just... So now we have no power. You gonna beep at me again? Or are you gonna be good? So that will, I guess, end the test a little bit. Keep in mind, I'm still waiting for some devices, to be shipped. So I'm planning on getting, new smoke detectors, and running probably out of that hole, going across in conduit, putting a detector there. I don't know what I'm going to do with this light fixture. This was supposed to be temporary, but it's going to probably end up being permanent. And then I want to put another one here. And then I may extend out to the hallway or something. I don't know. If you're wondering why there's so many damn holes in my walls, it's just because I've been doing upgrades like a bat out of hell. So I am not patching these quite yet. Mainly because I don't have drywall, so I'm gonna have to go buy a sheet and some hot mud and a key saw and fix this all. You can see, since this is a demonstration system, there's wiring that does nothing everywhere in here. Like this wire and this wire. This wire down here feeds the exit signs. The other one feeds this TV that I don't use anymore. I put this thing up just to get it out of the way, really. So you can also see that I put some conduit up. This is a pre-bent piece that I got from a job me and my dad pulled out some electrical for a floral cooler over in Tipton. So this is just a junction box. I do plan on getting some either MC cable or more of this half-inch conduit and coming across over to one of these knockouts. It really depends. But for now, it's just bell wire. The reason why it's bell wire is I'm actually completely out of FLPR. So, yeah. That will conclude the video. Oh, yeah, I also rewired this, so all the unnecessary illegal stuff is gone. So, like, all of the stuff that I wired in extension cord, I took out. So now, it's only these two outlets that are functional now. I still got to get a back box for this, but that'll work for now. Here's the other systems. So, yeah. Alright, guys. If you like this video, make sure that like button. Any comments, questions, please leave those down in the comment section down below. Make sure to like, comment, rate, share, subscribe. Alright guys, see you all on the next one.